Welcome students. In this class, in the previous class, we have learnt about the SSBSC generation as well as we have learned about the carrier power, the transmitted power, the sideband power, power efficiency calculations. Today we will in yesterday's class I have told you SSBSC modulation technique is one of the superior bandwidth and power efficient modulation technique among all the modulation techniques in amplitude modulation. Why this is power efficient, why this is bandwidth efficient, that you need to know. Here we will use the formula that we have developed: carrier power, sideband power, total power, modulation efficiency that we have developed. That formula we will use here. We have developed so many formulas: carrier power, sideband power, bandwidth efficiency, power efficiency, or the modulation efficiency, and also we have developed so many formulas in the power calculations of AM, amplitude modulation. Then we have started learning the generation of SSBSC. Now in this class we will tell you the advantage of SSBSC modulation technique over DSBSC modulation technique. First advantage is lots of power saving. SSBSC can save lots of power. Imagine, suppose this is DSBSC, this is carrier, this is LSB, this is USB, this is carrier, this is LSB, this is minus omega C, this is omega C, this is minus omega C plus omega N, this is minus omega C minus omega N, minus omega C minus omega N, this is omega C plus minus omega N, this is omega C plus omega N. Okay, this is your USB, this is your LSB, this is carrier, this is USB. Now we have suppressed one sideband, we have suppressed one carrier, we are transmitting only one sideband, either the LSB or the USB. Suppose we have suppressed USB, so your equation is your equation will be A into AC cos of omega C minus omega N T. This is for LSB. A into AC cos of omega N into omega C minus into T. This is your LSB I am transmitting. Suppose you can transmit USB also. A into AC cos of omega N plus omega C into T. Now we will discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of SSBSC over DSBFC modulation technique. First, power saving. See, the total power formula is we have developed PT equal to PC into 1 plus m square by 2. PC is the carrier power. PC is the carrier power. What is the formula of PC? It is A square by 2. A square, AC square by 2. M is the modulation index. What is the modulation index? M is equal to EM by EC. Maximum modulating signal amplitude by maximum carrier signal amplitude. EM by EC. Now power efficiency is useful power by total transmitted power into 100. Useful power by total transmitted power into 100. This is called power efficiency. Power efficiency is useful power divided by total transmitted power into 100. Now we will have to know what is the advantage of SSBSC over DSBFC modulation technique. What is the advantage? See, in SSBSC only one sideband only one sideband is transmitted, either USB or LSB. So our sideband power is, our total sideband power is total sideband power is PC into m square by 2. This is total sideband power. Total sideband power is PC into m square by 2. PC into m square by 2 is the total sideband power. So USB or LSB, any one sideband power is PC into m square by 4, half of this. So transmission efficiency eta is PC into m square by 4 divided by PC into 1 plus m square by 2. So PC and PC will cancel out. It is m square divided by 4 plus 2m square into 100. Put m is equal to 1. So your result will be 16.66%. That means we have used only 16.66% of the total transmitted power. We have used 16.66% of we have used only 16.66% of the total transmitted power. We have used 16.66% of the total transmitted power. Total transmitted power may be 100, must be 100% for DSB-FC modulation technique. We have used only 16.66% of the total transmitted power. That means useful power is 16.66% of the total transmitted power. In this ratio, useful power by transmitted total transmitted power is only 16.66%. We have used only 1/6 part of the total transmitted power. You can say that. We can say like that. In SSBSC modulation technique, we have used only 1/6 of the total transmitted power. Useful power is 1/6 of the total transmitted power. Useful power is 1/6 of the total transmitted power. So 83.33% power saving compared to DSB-SC. So power saving is more. That means cost is less. If we are able to do huge amount of power saving, cost is less. I have told you why the power saving is required. Your carrier doesn't carry any information. Your LSB and USB, lower sideband and upper sideband, are identical to each other. Both the sidebands are carrying same information. Here the information is same. Here the information is same. Carrier doesn't carry any information. So it is useless to transmit the carrier along with the upper sideband and lower sideband, both. It is useless that we are transmitting the carrier in DSB-FC. As well as it is useless to transmit both the sidebands at a time, because both the sidebands are carrying identical information. Both the sidebands are carrying identical information. So suppress one of them, suppress the carrier. You can do 83.33% power saving compared to DSB-FC. This is one major advantage of SSBSC over DSB-FC. Another advantage is we are transmitting only one sideband, either the lower sideband or the upper sideband. This is USB, this is LSB. So bandwidth limitation, requirement of bandwidth is less compared to DSB-FC. Power saving is more, requirement of bandwidth is less. Power saving is more, bandwidth requirement is less. Major advantage of these two are major advantage of SSBSC over DSB-FC. Power saving is more, bandwidth requirement is less. So these two are the major advantage of SSBSC over DSB-FC. So these are the factors that you need to know when you are studying SSBSC. In the next, shortly after this video, we will start learning amplitude demodulation technique, how to perform amplitude demodulation. Well, I will show you two methods of amplitude demodulation. So one by one we will study those methods. For the time being, these two are the major. I have proved with logic. These two are the major advantage of DSB-SC. One is power saving is more, bandwidth requirement is less. So it is power efficient and bandwidth efficient.